Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I got a quick video from Lowe's. I picked this up yesterday. Yesterday was January 12th, 2022. It was a Wednesday. Today is the 13th, which is a Thursday, January 2022. So please stick around, check out the video. Just a couple small items. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates, and let's get into it. Today is the 13th of January. Picked this up on the 12th. Just a couple small items. I was actually not thinking this was going to be on sale. So I did a previous video where I showed these zip ties. They're 8-inch and 11-inch assortments. So you get 500 8-inch and 500 11-inch. They're 1,000 count. The first video I did on these, I picked up a black set. I went back and picked up the white ones. These are type 21S zip ties, but when I bought the black ones, they were $24. The sign said these, when I picked these up, the sign said $24.97 also, but when they rang up at 17 bucks. So I might be going back and picking up one more white set and one more black set. So I'll have 2,000 count of black and 2,000 count of white. And then I picked this up at Lowe's while I was there, this is a EstWing, or EstWing, EST-wing. I call it EstWing because the EST looks like an abbreviation of East to me. But made in USA, it's a little PryBar. It is a 18-inch PryBar. I am not going to be using this mainly for nails or anything like that. What I want to use this for is because this PryBar actually has a little pivot point, and this tip is a lot more blunt. It's a lot flatter of a grind, so they're not sharp. I want to use this for pulling out CV axles because you can use this pivot point right here, or this angle, to allow for pivoting without damaging housings. That's why I grabbed this. It's 18 inches, and then it's got a spot where you can hammer on the back, or you can use it this direction as well. If I need more leverage, I can always use this side, because then I'll have 18 inches of leverage. Or I can use this side if I need to be further away from the item. So here's this, if the CV axle's right here, I put it in like right here and pull, lever it this way. So either way, you'll get more leverage. The only difference though is this direction. This would have to be almost vertical like this. It would have to be pointed like that to get a CV axle out. So then you would go this way to pry. But if you want like 90-degree direct prying, you could do this just like this. And now you have 18 inches and it's flat horizontal, so you would have more room to pry this way to get the CV axle out, because the CV axle will be example. The CV axle's coming this way. Stick it up, pry down, pop it out. Or if you do it this way, you would be, with this side, you would actually be vertical like this, so you'd have to pry like that, or this way. But just a short little video. I do like EstWing. I've never had any issues with them. I've had the exact same EstWing hammer for the last 20 years. It's never given me any issues. I'm gonna pop these zip ties off. Boom. If I ever have any problems with like pliers and stuff like that, that's another reason why I use zip ties, is I will literally cut these style zip ties off. If I have some kind of issue with this tool, which I'm gonna say I'm not going to, but pliers, I tend to have to take back 80% of the time because the jaws are cut wrong, or they just do not function right, as an example. So what I will do is I will keep zip ties around, not just for automotive purposes, but for repackaging purposes. So if I had an issue with a pair of pliers, I'd put this back on there. I'd take two zip ties out, re-zip tie the tag to it, take it back to the store. But I'm not going to do that for this. I do like that it is still made in the USA for EstWing. It's always nice to see. EstWing Manufacturing Co., Rockford, Illinois, 61109. That is always nice. Even put the flag on the tag. It's also on here as well. EstWing, American flag. Boom. Information. But zip ties also help you repackage stuff like this. If you have some issue with it. Pliers are usually the worst, where they're cut wrong or something like that. These are actually cut perfectly fine. The jaws are straight and everything. But I've had issues with Milwaukee tongue and groove pliers, as well as like DeWalt's tongue and groove pliers that have that issue. But this one, I don't know if it's gonna fit in the pry drawer. Yep, it will fit in the pry drawer. Yes, sirree. So it's going to end up going in this drawer that have my vice grips and stuff like that. I do also put pry bars in here. So here's another pry bar. This one, so 18 inch is probably the biggest I would want to put in here. But it's going to end up going in here. Get these things to lay flat. Yeah, quite a bit of prying bars in here. DeWalt one right here. Actually got a couple little hatchets and stuff. A little multi-hatchet and hammer in here as well. Little seal remover tool. So it will fit in there. No issues. But that is all I got for you guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video as always. This is mostly used for prying nails and screws and stuff like that. But you can use it for just about whatever will fit your needs. I do like the back of this also does have a hammer zone. So if I'm using this side right here, this side, to pry like CV axles out like this, I can actually hammer. So if this is the CV axle, come in this direction, I can hammer down here on this head to get more leverage. So that's why I picked it up. These little pry bars are helpful. It's not a traditional pry bar. It is actually more of a nail pry bar or a fastener pry bar, where a standard pry bar is just a handle at this end, long bar, and a pointed end. And those are usually kind of sharply pointed, so they're not blunted off, so they're not sharp, where these are blunted off, so they're not sharp at all. Where traditional pry bars you get in automotive field, they are pointed. They are very actually kind of sharp. You can actually slightly shave with them. But that is all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day and week. Hopefully I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!